Well, shall we? Let's see. So, I should tell this what Gary can see it. If you guys can just kind of gather around this mic, one guy on each side, then there might be something of value coming from this too.
Cool.
Plus, it's convenient for yelling cues.
For what?
For yelling cues.
Ah, got it.
Well, we'll play with the bass and see if Mike can get some kind of bass line going here.
All right.
It's all 12 bar, believe it or not.
Surprise, surprise.
Upside down. So it's like 1, 2, 3, bum, bum.
Gary, let's just extend the one you get.
That's what she said.
So it's a 24, or just everything's longer?
12. No, it's 12. We were already on the floor. One. Gary was tapping
Gary,
half speed.
yeah. Oh, Gary said 24 bar,
Oh, wait, no, 12.
but it's 12 bar. Okay,
Yeah.
good.
Well, let's try to play something.
So he wants us to play fairly close to this.
So he can get the
Convenient.
angles and effect.
Yeah, exactly.
Well, you know, let's play something, record something, get comfortable, then we can start
All right.
tweaking a little shit. Somebody start off with slow blues in G.
Whoops.
Hello, Walkie.
That's what historic meeting.
No, it's all right.
Those historic meetings.
I didn't know you guys
show
showed me here. Dave, Gary, what's going on?
Happy birthday! This is your life.
2 coffees for me.
What's going on here?
What the hell?
You look like a college kid.
Really? Is this the music department?
This is the art building, right? It's the art building.
How do it, let's play this first tune.
Okay, so kid, it's
Which one is that?
a G minor,
Rumba?
mambo, rumba, jumba, jungle beat.
All right.
Maybe some tom-toms in there.
Tell them the story behind it so they kind of get.
Oh, okay, so this tune is called Midnight at the Seven Bamboo. Seven Bamboo is a bar in Japantown where I live. And the sign is just so cool because it's just this old beat up red sign with a big 7 bamboo. Not bamboo 7, 7 bamboo. So we always kind of wondered what went on at 7 bamboo. Especially around midnight, so we call the song Midnight at 7 Bamboo. And it's kind of a, we tried to, since it's got an Asian flavor to the bar, we tried to get some Asian harmonies into the tune, courtesy of the genius here. And so it's kind of Latin, Asian, blues combo.
I told you.
So you want some...
No, none of that.
As we're getting ready,
Upside down.
there are breaks. There's 2 parts to the head, so we'll have 2 heads in the opening. Each one has a break.
Let's try to cut this one, then we'll
Then there's 2 choruses. Are you doing 2 choruses, or
Yeah,
we'll just leave it open?
probably.
Right. So there's 2 choruses of the solo, and then we'll go ahead and break into the bridge, break into my solo, of which I'm not going to solo because the transition between harps is too quick. So just allow 2 choruses to go by. We'll break and go into the head, and then the song ends with a clean break.
You should.
Okay.
So brake into the head, then brake, or in.
Needs to be a clean brake at the end there. What was that, Marty?
That clean brake is the out. We're done.
Yeah.
So is there a brake though before?
Yes.
Did you say there's a brake before the head?
Yeah, and I'll signal it.
Okay.
Well, let's go through it. Let's first just get the groove.
Yeah.
Then we'll do a run through with the brakes.
Sure.
Yeah, let me just hear kind of a. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Too slow, too slow.
Started getting too slow from the
Yeah.
count. Right off the bat.
Yeah, too slow. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
Right here. No. Brake. Won't be soloing over that. So we'll do 2 choruses. Still playing. Break. One more chorus.
It ends on a major chord?
No, no, that was me.